Jayla here with this week's beach report. Today I'm coming to you from Ramp 23 between Avon and the Tri-Villages. This morning was a warm 66 degrees and windy. We've got a chance of some showers when the sun goes down tonight as well. Tomorrow we'll have a high of 65 degrees. Start off some showers, get clear throughout the day. Wednesday's gonna have wind and a high of 54. Thursday through Sunday are gonna have highs in the low 60s and a small chance of scattered showers. This week you'll have two opportunities to attend a absolutely Outer Banks workshop. Tuesday is going to be a Ocean Effects resin workshop, and Thursday is going to be a Sun Catcher resin workshop. You can reserve your space online. Gather up the gang and get competitive. Wednesday is going to be trivia night at Buffalo City Distillery in Point Harbor. They're going to have wing special as well, so you're not going to want to miss it. This weekend is the Lost Colony Drama's Wine and Culinary Festival. There's going to be wine and food and music on Saturday on Roanoke Island. Also on Saturday is the Flying Pirate Half Marathon, starting in Kitty Hawk and going to Nag's Head. And that's about it for me. Check out OuterBanksThisWeek.com for everything happening from Corolla to Ocracoke. Thank you. I'll see you next week.
OuterBanksThisWeek.com. Don't miss a thing.